How are you? I think you all are safe in the house. You are not roaming outside unwantedly, unnecessarily. You all are not wandering from here and there. So you all are staying in the house safely. So now I will be starting with the first lesson of your subject, that is industries. Industries, that will be a 14th lesson in your book, that is industries lesson. Okay, so industries lesson I will be starting now. That is first of all, you should know what is industries. Okay, industries are part of secondary activity. Secondary activity. You should know that is three sectors of occupations are there: primary occupation, secondary occupation, and tertiary occupation. All the primary activities which comes, that is farming, mining, fishing, this all comes under the primary occupation. The primary occupation, once when it is coming to the secondary occupation, what is secondary occupation then? What all the primary things that has been used, that will be converted into finished products. Understood? So that is what I told, industries are part of secondary activities. Okay, secondary activities are manufacturing activities, processing activities. Raw materials will be converted into finished products. What are the raw materials we get from nature? Natural resources. We get all that from the natural resources. Whatever we are using every day, day to day, what all we are using, that is all we are getting from industries or factories only. Is it, children? What are the things you are using? You are using your, what is that? You are using the things like small things. Like you are using your electrical things, transportation, communication. That all comes from the industry. Transportation, where bus, train, this all is being, it is all been coming from the factories or industries. Those are the things who are converting that. Okay, converting that. So we use different products which are made by the processing of raw materials only. Example, sugar cane. Sugar cane, you are eating the sugar cane. But how it is converted? It is converted into sugar or jaggery. Okay, so it is processed. From the primary occupation, it is being processed to industry. Sugarcane will be taken to industry and that it will be converted into finished products. That is only industry. Industry is the place where it is converting the raw materials or the primary things. Understood? So that is why industry. So now sugarcane is processed into sugar. Cotton balls that is only converted into cloth. Okay. Iron and steel are used to make machines. The development of an industry depends on the availability of raw materials. Whatever industries are mainly depending on raw materials. The climate also. So wherever industry, when you want starting industry, you should start the industry. There are certain conditions to start the industries also. They should see the supply of the electricity or the supply of water or manpower, whatever it is. So it should be converted. The raw material in the place, that is only industries. Understood, children? So by now we understood what is industry. Okay, now you have the types, village and cottage industry. What do you mean by cottage? Cottage only, the word cottage only comes from home. Cottage is nothing but home. Home only you are doing. It is a small manufacturing operation. Small things done in the family along with the family members. No need of big buildings and other things is not needed. Sitting in the houses itself we can do. People work from their houses, from their homes, preparing handicrafts from wood or cane or leather or clay. Then weaving of clothes, carpentry works, then basket making, papad making, pickles. All these they are sitting. Agarbatti. These are all the things they are doing in the house itself. Sitting in the home itself, the number of people working are few. Very few people will sit in that place, and the product also, the quantity of the product also will be small. The goods and whatever we are making, that also will be limited, because less people are there, so less product will be there. Okay, so they are sitting in the house and doing. That is only village and cottage. In village, people will sit in a small gathering. There itself they will do that. That is only cottage industry. Okay, it is a important source of employment, especially in rural areas, in villages. In villages, people will be not with so much study. Is it? They will not have so much of knowledge also. They cannot go far to the city and work and come. So what they do? They start a small business, small work, small industry in the house itself. That is cottage industry. You have seen, no? When you go to a village, you have seen so many of them sitting nearby their houses. In their houses, they are waving the baskets. And some will be doing agarbatti. And some of them will be doing puppet or preparing pickles. These are all the things they do it in the house itself. So that is only cottage industries. Okay. Now after cottage industry, we are coming to know about the small scale industry. What is small scale industry? Small scale industries are labor intensive. Okay. Labor intensive. So it is very small. When I talk about small scale industry only, you will know what is small scale industry. It is small. Whatever the money, the capital also will be less capital. Okay, those people work in small factories. People will work in small factories, they work. Okay, and small scale comprises of small enterprises. Manufacturing also will be limited. Okay, so like example, what I can tell, water bottles, then leather bags, then bakery items, pens, bakeries. These are all the industries, small scale industries. Okay, so large amount of raw materials and money, that is not there. Okay, in these industries, more people work in small factories. Okay, and hence products also with more products, spare parts of machines, electrical goods, utensil, clothes, ready-made garments, stationery items, soaps, plastic goods, etc. are made in these industries, small scale industry. Okay, by the name itself you should know small scale industries. It is manufacturing in a less quantity with keeping less amount of people, or the investment of money also less money. Understood? The product whatever they are producing, that also will be limited. That is only small scale industries. Okay. Next it is about the large scale industry. The term large. Okay. Large scale industries refers to those industries which require huge infrastructure. It needs huge infrastructure. Manpower also will be more. Capital investment also should be more. Okay. All the heavy industries of India, like iron and steel industries, then steel industries, textile industry, automobile industries, manufacturing industries fall under the large scale industry. Okay, large amount of raw material and money are invested to produce goods in a large quantity. When I told you about the small scale industry, it was small quantity, but here it is large quantity. Huge number of people are employed. More number of people are employed. The products include iron and steel, machine, fertilizer, automobiles. Okay, so steel plants are located in Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Durgapur, Bokhara, Rourkela and Salem. These are all the places where steel plants are located. Heavy engines and heavy goods are produced in Bhopal and Ranchi. Okay, railway engines in Chittaranjan and railway coaches in Perambur and Kothpur. Okay, these are all the places where you find heavy industries. Automobiles, okay, the car industries, it is located in Kolkata. and Chennai, Gurgaon, Noida, Bengaluru. These are all the places where you have the car industries. Okay, in the beginning I told you cottage industry, small scale industry, that is also small. Large scale industry, largely it is produced. Then after that, you come to know about the service industry. What is service industry? It means a business that does work for a customer and occasionally provides goods, but it is not involved in manufacturing. It is not involved in the manufacturing. Say information technology, IT companies, okay, software and hardware, and the business processing, outsourcing has grown in the big way. Banking and insurance are also service industries. Service. It is providing service to the people. Service industries means like the tertiary occupation. What all the things come from the primary? It is having connection between the primary, secondary and the tertiary. The three are having the link. Large scale industry, small scale industry. Okay, and this service industry. The government has taken initiatives set up to many small and large scale industries. Okay, the modernization of the Indian industry is slowly bringing in better result both in terms of quality and quantity. Wherever the industries has been there, the government has provided help by providing them loan, by giving them the good fertilizer, whatever it is. Okay, so the government is taking so many steps to improve the quantity and the quality of the goods that is being manufactured in big industries. Okay, so in general I told you, industries means it is a place where raw materials is being converted into finished products. Okay, with lot of employment, people are working under certain circumstances. Okay, so that is the thing. So this much is enough for your standard. When you go to the higher class, you will study it in detail. What all the industries they are manufacturing, what is the outcome, what is the processing. These are all the things that you will learn in your further classes. But now this is enough for you. Okay, first of all you should know what we are using in our daily life. Whatever things we are using like iron and steel, what are the chocolate, that all is provided from the industries only. Industries are only providing you with all these things. Okay, so this you have to understand and you learn that. I'll be sending you the notes today. You complete the notes and study that. Be safe in your house until the school reopens. Okay, okay children, thank you.